This
Okay, right.
conference will now be recorded.
So everyone have to supposed to go to the TCS Digital Learning Hub, the link. Okay, so this is the first link you can able to get it. TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. And once if you click and you need to create one account. Okay, I posted that one sample video reference in our WhatsApp group. So kindly please take a look. Okay, enter your first name and your email ID. Okay, and your mobile number, and immediately will get an OTP. Okay, verify that your OTP number over there. Okay, got it clear? Your first name and then your email ID, then your password and mobile number, and get that OTP verification and click that create account. Okay, and once if your account is get created, okay, so let me know that. So how many of them are created account? I need to activate your profile. Okay, with one project internship title. Okay, got it clear? And once given the project title, you can able to go for the login process with help of your email ID and password. Okay, so let me show you one demo. Okay, this is one of the student profile. Okay, and after the account is get created, and you need to click on this new user, right? And enter your email ID, register your email ID, and use that your proper credential of your password and click login button. Okay, right? And once if you get login button, this is your TCS internship portal. Okay, from the left hand side, you can able to find. Am I audible now? Guys, I'm audible now. Hello. Yes. Madeline Rose. Just check with us. Is it I'm audible now? Yeah. Fine. Fine. Good. Okay. So right now, can you see this? Okay. Right. So as one of the student, okay, he started his internship with some different platform. Okay. Right. So this is a product. It has to be get activated for everyone. Okay. From tomorrow onwards. First, you need to complete that your registration profile. Okay. So check whether your login is working. So my login is working. So how to start this internship? Okay, from each day. So that means from tomorrow is that Hello, hello. Is it clear? I'm audible now? Yes. Okay. Right. Right. So let's start the session. Okay. So here, can you find this is a total number of tasks? Okay. Right. So total number of tasks, you have 20 tasks. Okay. Right. So first 10 tasks is based on your advanced Excel. Okay. Right. So plus macro work. Okay, so that I can teach you that. Okay, how to start this everyday task. Okay, right. So total advanced Excel plus macro 10 tasks should be there, and then remaining 10 tasks, 5 tasks will be there with Microsoft Power BI application for 5 tasks. And next one, we have Tableau application. So that we have that 5 tasks. So total around 20 tasks we have. Okay, right? So today I'm going to teach you the 2 tasks by using Excel with real-time example. So that I want you people to complete the task from tomorrow. Okay, right? And you have to be send it in our WhatsApp group. Okay, for example, your name. Okay, right? So your name and put your register number. So my task is completed. This is what my Excel file, task one and task two. Okay, got it clear? So that moment your task is completed for that particular day, right? That is day one. Okay, so day one you have 2 tasks, you have to complete it off. Okay, and along with that one Word document. Okay, one Word document that is for online research. Okay, right? So total we have to send 2 tasks, one MS Word document file. Okay, got it clear, right? So I will tell you that how to create this MS Word document file. Okay, and today I'm going to teach you that one Excel example file and that task how to complete as soon as possible. Okay, right? And I don't want people to wait from tomorrow. Okay, right? You can. Hello, guys. Any issues with this network? Let's keep on get disconnected. Guys, I'm audible now. Yeah. Okay, right. So let me continue. Okay, fine. So I'm going to teach you that how to complete the task. Okay. Hello. Guys, I'm audible now. There is some network issues. Keep on, it's getting disconnected. I'm audible now. Is it clear? Guys, I'm audible now. So please just check. Take it. Okay, check into that chat window now. Yeah, fine. Good. Right. Okay. So let's continue the session. Okay, fine. And here, can you see this? I can able to find that as a link. Okay, once if you have that proper account, okay, you can able to enter into your what is a project. So that I will let you know about later. Okay, that means from tomorrow's session. Once if you have that successful login, okay, right, you can able to log into your TCS portal and you have to put one message in WhatsApp group. So I completed my registration form. Okay, I can able to have that login success. So what next I have to supposed to do? Okay, that we will discuss later. Okay, right? And once if you have that your profile, okay, right, you need to start work with your task one. Okay, got it clear? So now you just take a look. For everyone you need to work with task one and task number two. Okay, right? So two tasks will be there. These two tasks you have to be work under your Excel application. Okay, right? So that means you need to work with your Microsoft Excel application. Okay, so right now I will let you know that the two tasks and plus one report. Okay, so to clear, right, one report activity, okay, using MS Word document. Okay, so using this MS Word activity and one small research through internet. Okay, right, what is meant by e-learning. Okay, so that we will see from next class. So that means from the today the task one, okay, right, and this is the task number three. Okay, if you complete it, you will get 3 marks for this task, and then if you completed your task number two, again you will get some 3 marks, and then for the report for the MS Word document, okay, right, you will get for 1 marks in the sections. Okay, right. So that means this everyone should get complete from tomorrow. That means this is so today I'm going to take this session. Okay, right. So tomorrow you have 1 day time. You need to complete. That means 2nd of September, the session has to be get what is it? Task number one and two has to be get complete. Okay, so you will get that total marks of 7. So same similar kind next day. That means from tomorrow, once if I connected, okay, we're going to see the task number 3 and task number 4. Okay, same similar time for every day. We have to supposed to know about what the task with real time example. What is that using? Excel. Okay, right? So let's start the task one, how to work with this. Guys, is it clear? Any doubts or any doubts? Let me check into the chat window. We'll start the session now. Yeah, we have some short time. So let me know any doubts over here. Let's start. Yeah, fine. Okay, good. And for everyone, Neha, Merlin, Rose, Shreya Nair. Yeah, okay. So guys, so just take a look. So I can create one simple folder and as a session one. Okay, right? In this session one, two tasks you have to be supposed to work on it. Task number one, please take Excel application. Okay, and I'm going to take that blank workbook. Okay, got it clear. And here I can able to find that in this blank workbook in this Excel file. Okay, right? So please save into your name along with your registration number. Okay, right? So you have that ID, right? So in my desktop in session one, and here and I'm going to give example files. Okay, right? So task one and your registration number. And I'm going to give uh, some. So I just added some demos. Just same procedure. Okay, right? You just add your name, and this is the task one, and you registration number. Okay, right? So in the square bracket, you just put that registration number. That moment it will be very easy for verifications. Okay, right? And once if it is done, and click that save button. Right? So this is a task one, and still we need to work for task number two. Okay, right? And we have to work for task number what is that? 3 or 6, and put your register number here, and I'll save this file. Okay. So once a file which I save, okay, I just give a little what is it, presentation. I'm audible, right? Any doubts? Guys, I'm audible. Yeah, fine. And some few people who have some network issues, I guess. Just please reconnect that session. Okay. So first here, I can start what is that serial number, and in next column, and I'm going to have that candidate name, and next column I'm going to give the age column, and next one more is degree. Okay, right? And the next one more column I'm going to give the experience over here, and there is a one more certain column what is that status. Okay, fine. So now let's take a look. I have that serial number and candidate name, age and degree and experience, and then status column. Okay, right? So I have some few columns. Okay, now I have to supposed to work with some real-time example. Okay, how to create charts and how to create what is that automation, some updation. Okay, right? So one small exercises. Okay, so this how I can able to match with real time. Okay, when I go for job, okay, the company what type of work they will assign, how I can able to solve that problems. Okay, got it. Yeah. So how I can able to prove myself to okay, right? I have that smart work time. So how all the things we can able to see to the task one in task two. Okay, based on how to create one simple report. Okay, got it. So now when I have serial number and candidate name, okay, so think about it. I have a company and I need to shortlist some candidate. Okay, based on age criteria, okay, right, and degree criteria and experience, and final column I can able to have status. I can have the word of accept or rejected. So that is it based on my conditions. Okay, right. So now in this task one, okay, right, this task one, I have that some conditions that age limit, the candidate supposed to be there with 20 and then less than is equals to 45. Okay, this is like my first condition. Okay, the candidate must be there with age limit 20 to 45. Okay, this is my first condition. And second, I have a degree. Okay, got it clear. So I have that second condition is my degree conditions. The candidate must be BCA or BCom. Okay, so there's two conditions it's supposed to be there. If the candidate is supposed to be there with some other platform like MCA department, okay, right, or MBA department, okay, I don't want that candidate in my, okay, right. So I don't want to put into the shortlist for intent. Okay, this is what my second condition. And third condition, experience. Okay, right. So candidate must be the greater than equals to one. I don't want fresher. I don't want 0 years experience person. Okay, I want greater than is equals to one, and then less than is equals to five. Okay, so greater than is equals to one and less than is equals to five. This is what my conditions criteria. Okay, but okay, it's a real time. So how to work with this as a formula? Okay, right? So we are thinking about writing formula is very difficult, right? So I'm going to teach this task to make yourself, okay, right? So how to create one simple formula over here, right? So first, I have some data over here. So first I can able to make it fill. I'll put one and I'll hold on that control key. So from this drag down button, I will implement here till the last of 12. Okay, right. I hope you can able to know about this, how to do this, iterating the values. Okay, from that serial number 1, 2, 3, right? And then I have some candidate. I have some candidate over here. For example, we'll take our name. Okay, right. So I given one candidate name and then one more. I'll type some few candidate names over here. Okay, I'll take some few names over here. Okay, then. So you just take a look. I have some candidate name over here, right? And then age and degree and experience. And then next column is status column. Okay. Right? So based on the conditions, okay, here you can able to take a look. That age criteria is 20, and then the age must be with 45. Right? It's greater than 20, and then less than is equal to 40. Okay, this is what my limit is. So now there is a first candidate, right? There is a first candidate. The candidate name is Shreya. Okay, particular right? So Shreya, and I have some name and the age limit. Example 20, okay, and degree. Okay, right? So this candidate it belongs to the degree of BCom and experience is 2. 2 years experience. The candidate will have the 2 years experience. So think about it. Is it my criteria is satisfied, right? So age is equals to 20, yes, and the age is less than 45. So I can use the word and operator and degree. And here you can able to take a look. The degree is BCA or BCom. Any one is fine. Okay, I don't want apart from that BCom and BCA. Okay, BCA is enough or BCom is okay. So that moment I will use that R keyword. And experience here greater than is equals to 1 and less than is equals to 5. Okay, right? So if all the things is get satisfied, I'll get that word can be called as accepted. Okay, got it clear, right? If the candidate is a fresher, if the value is what is it 0, okay, in that status column, I'll get that word as rejected. Okay, guys, do you understand this logic, right? Shall we start how to work, write the formula? Any doubts are here? Any doubts? We just take a look into the chat window. Yeah, it's clear, right? Yeah, good. Right. So let's continue, right? So now here, and I'm going to take a formula. Okay, so first I'm going to write the formula for each. Okay, and I'm going to write for the formula for the age. Okay, right? Any formula I need to start with that operator is equal. Okay, so I need to start with that equal. I'm going to write with if condition. Okay, right? So this is the real-time work. Okay, I'm just explaining this for this first session. Okay, right? How you can able to solve out the problems. Okay, equal if, and I'm going to write that word as what is that and operator. Okay, and means the age is greater than 20 and that age is less than 45. Okay, this is what my criteria condition. The age is greater than 20 and the age is less than 45. Okay, so that means it's a word is what is that and operator. Okay, equal and from here which column I'm going to enter this age. Okay, right? At that age I entered 20 example. It's from that C column. Okay, it is available in that C column, and the row is 2. That means C2. In that C2 I entered that as 20 here. Okay, right? I'm going to write C2. Okay, right? C2 greater than is equal 20. C2 is greater than is equal, what is it? 20, comma. C2 less than is equal 45. Okay, this is what my first age will be. C2 greater than is equals to 20 and C2 less than is equals to 45. If my criteria is get satisfied, okay, right? And I'm going to give that word can be called as accepted. If the candidate is below 20, okay, if the candidate is 19, okay, immediately I can able to give that word as this is what my first conditions. Okay, so the first condition is for the age condition equal if open bracket and okay and means both the side. Okay, it should be greater than is equal to 20 and less than is equals to 45. That's what I use that word as and operator. If it is okay, I'll give that word can be called as accept, or I can give that word as what is that rejected. Okay. This is what my first age formula. Okay, guys, I completed my age. And next, I'm going to write the formula for degree. Okay, right. So degree in the sense I need to get only for BCA department or CCom department. I don't want MCA department. I don't want MBA department for this particular job. Okay, fine. So now again, one more formula equal. I can write if, okay, and which word I need to use, whether I want to use and or okay, right? So which one I want to use, whether I want to use and or are, okay, or because any one platform, okay, the degree means BCA or BCom, okay, right? So that moment the word is what is it? OR. So I just given that word OR and open and close bracket. Now here this degree column I'm entering into the D, right? In that D column I'm just entering into the D column in that row of 2. That means D2. Now here I'm going to write D2 equal, okay, any one. That means it should be there with DCA, comma, D2, it's equal to BCom department. Any one department it's matched. Okay, got it clear? I'll get that word can be called as Excel. Anyone, okay, anyone if it is matched. Okay, I'll get that word accepted. Or if I entered as MCOM department, okay, immediately it will turn into that rejected file. Got it? So only BCom or BCA department, it's supposed to be matched. Okay, if it is matched, I'll get the word for accepted. And next, the final formula is experience. Okay, right? So this experience is nothing but equal if open bracket, and that experience it's supposed to be there is greater than 1, and then less than is equals to 5. Okay, greater than must be 1, and then less than is equals to 5. This is what my conditions. So here I can write that word, what is that, and operator, and this experienced column should be there in that E column. So I entered 0, it should be there in that cell of E2. Okay, right, it is available in that E2, right? So I will give that word E2 greater than is equals to 1, comma, E2 less than is equals to 5. Okay, right. So if it is there in that particular certain range, okay, that experience should be greater than is equals to 1, and experience supposed to be there less than is equals to 5. So that moment I'll give that word can be called as excepted. I'll put that word and turn into that, what is it, rejected. Okay, got it? So I hope this formula will be it's very easy. Okay, and so building into one, it's very difficult. Okay, so now I asked the first question. So one of the candidate, Shreya. Okay, the first question is, what is the age? So I asked that, what is your age? Okay, right, the candidate is responded, what is it, 20. I'm not going to give that. Okay, immediately the word, what is it, accepted, right? Still I have one more question. I have the question for which degree you are, okay, which platform you are. Okay, and it says, sir, I am BCom department. Again, I'm not going to give that accepted word, right? Still, I have one more question. What is an experience? Okay, how long? So, what is your total experience in your profile? Okay, the candidate said, sir, I have 0. I'm a fresher. So that moment I given that rejected. Okay, my company is required at least for 1 year experience. Okay, so now right now I have that candidate will equals to 1. Okay, I need to turn that word as, what is it, accepted. Okay, okay. So these are the individual formula. Okay, this is what age formula, and this is what degree formula, and this last one is this experienced formula. So how I'm going to build this all the 3 formula into one. Okay, right, guys, let's start to connect. Okay, all the 3 formula, and I'm going to write it as single formula. Okay, right, I hope you can understand this 3 formula, so how to build for each, what is it, conditions for age and degree and experience. Now let's see how to connect all the 3 formula into one. Okay, right. Any doubts over here till now? Is it clear, right, guys? Any doubts? Is it clear? I'm audible. Any network issues or here still? Just take into the chat window box, Any issues? Is it clear? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Good. Faiza, right. And still some few people. Neha, Merlin Rose. Yeah, is it any doubts over here, guys? Is it clear? Yeah, fine. Right, good, good. I appreciate. Okay, right. So now this entire formula I'm going to put into that, what is that? one single formula. Okay, but okay, right? So how to work with this single formula, right? Now, first I'll take this formula, this age formula, just I'll take a copy and I'm going to paste it off. I just be clear with this formula. Okay, I just taken the copy of the first age formula, I pasted. Okay, right? And here there is that word is there, no, accepted. I asked one first question to that candidate, is it your age is greater than 20? Is it your age is less than 40? Immediately I'm not going to give that word as accepted, right? Okay, because still I have one more question, or still I have two more questions, sorry. I have degree, okay, right? And I have experience, so still I have two more questions. Got it clear, right? And from here, I will just erase that word, accepted word, and I'm going to erase the word. Guys, can you see this? Okay, I just erased that word as accepted. Okay, right? So only one word I'm going to erase. Okay, I erased that word accepted, and I'm going to take a copy of this word. What is a degree? Just take that copy. Okay, right? So don't take including that equal operator. Equal operator is already added. Okay, right? So not required. So just take the second question, the word I removed, right? Accepted word. From there, you just take a copy and paste. Okay. Now, for this candidate, I asked that one more question. Which degree for that candidate? Okay, right? The candidate said, sir, I'm a BCom department student. Okay, right? Keep the point. I have one more question and I'm not going to give that word as accepted still now. I will take that third formula for this experience formula. I'll take a copy. From there, I'm going to paste it off. That's it. Whoa. Okay, right? So again, I will repeat the formula one more time. You just take a look. Okay, right? So this is that each individual formula I repeated for that age and then for degree and then for experience. Okay, I repeated again. Okay, so first take a copy of the first formula and paste it. Okay, got it. And then here there is that word is there, no, right? Accepted. I'll just erase that word as accepted. I'll just erase that word as accepted because I don't want to give that accepted word. Okay, right? So still I have that two more questions. Okay, I'll take the second question. I'll take the copy. From there, I'm going to paste it. So over, right? And next, second question is ready. Okay, again, I don't want to give that accepted word. Take the third formula where the word I removed that word accepted. From there, you just place a cursor and paste. That's it done. This entire formula, you just take a copy. Okay, from here there is a word rejected, no, so I'll just remove it off. I'll just paste it off. Now I got it because the person is get satisfied with all my queries, all my conditions. Okay, right? So the candidate, the age is 20 and then the degree is BCom department and experience is 0, sorry, 1. So if I turn into that 0, you think what will happen? It will goes rejected. Okay, right? If the person from 4 years experienced, I'll get accepted. And if it is BCA, no issue. If that person from MCA department, it will go to rejected because the degree is not get satisfied. So I want only BCom. Okay, right? And same similar kind. If that candidate is age is 17, okay, it will goes rejected. If it is 21, okay, so age limit is also worked. Okay, got it, right? So now I'm going to apply this entire formula to that the last column of the values. Now, next, one more candidate I'm going to enter. Example here, 22 and BCA department and 1 year experience. You can see that the words and all it gets changed. Okay, right? So for that, this entire formula we have to supposed to know how to write and how to build in real time. If you are getting some task from the company, okay, we have to be think to smart work. Okay, got it clear, right? And same similar kind, I can add with some value over here and different department like BCA. Okay, fine. So with 2 years experience, but I am not matched with the degree. Okay, right? So that particular candidate is master degree. Okay, right? So my company is required only for the degree people. Okay, got it clear, right? So I want only that BCA or BCom department. I don't want that MCA graduate peoples. Okay, right? So that moment, even though experience are there, okay, I don't want. And next, there is one more candidate. Okay, it's matched with BCom, and I'll have that experience for 3 years experience. Okay, I got that word as accepted. Okay, but yeah, and still more for the presentation. I'll just take it, click on this F column. Okay, particular, right? So just click this F column over here, and you can able to find that word conditional formatting. Okay, right? So still for the presentation wise, we're going to apply. I'll click on this highlight cell rules. Okay, so go to that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and text that contains. Okay, got it clear, right? Text that contains, and here, and I'm going to give that word can be called as accepted. Okay, got it clear. And then I can go to this dropping option, custom format over here. Okay, right. And I'll go and click on this option for fill and fill effects. And I'm going to choose that color for accepted is green color, and I'm going to apply as green color over. Okay, so final up and I click OK button and again OK. Right, it's done. So now again I'm going to take a column of status, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains the word can be called as rejected. Okay, I'll click on this drop down menu, the custom format. Okay, right. And then for the fill option, fill effects for the second color, and I'm going to choose as red. And I'm going to use diagonal up or diagonal down, anything is fine, and click OK. Now you just take a look, and I'm going to enter the values for the next candidate, 23, BCA department, 4 years experience. You just take a look, automatically the words can able to change for the presentation wise. Okay, that, and then from the right hand side, when you take a look for this two column, I will select and I'm going to click this merge center. Number of accepted. Okay, from this right hand side, I'll select again merge center, number of rejected. Okay, got it. Yeah. So number of accepted and number of rejected. So I'll take this column of the cell, the range cell, you just take a select over here. And after you can apply that option is merge and center. And again, from here also, you just take a look, select the range of cell and click merge center. Now, number of accepted, I want to know that how many number of accepted candidates are there and how many number of rejected candidates are there. Okay, right? So introduce that one more formula, equal count if equal count if open bracket the range. Okay, range comma criteria. So now I need to select this range of the criteria from F2 to F12 comma, and I need to write that word can be called as accepted and close the bracket. Now you can take a look, total number of accepted candidate is 4, and right now because still I'm not completed, right? So still some more people data I need to write, equal count if equal count if the range criteria is from here to here is my range criteria. Here I'm going to give that word can be called as rejected. Close the bracket and enter button. Now for presentation wise, for this background color, and I'm going to turn into green, and this background color, and I'm going to turn into as red. Okay, for just for presenting that my visualizations. That's it. Okay, I'll select this. What is that number of accepted and rejected? And I'm going to turn into that color and some foreground color. I can able to change it, and I'll increase that font size to make it as bold, and here to increase the font size and make it bold over here. I'll reduce it. Okay, fine. So let's continue with that next candidate. Okay, right. So from here, I'm just going with the next candidate, PCA department, but more than 6 years experience, simply. Okay, right. But still, there is no effect over here. Okay, right. And then I'm going to enter that data, BCom department, 4 years experience. You see that from that how the presentation is going to get work. From the left hand side is also get changed. From the right hand side of your table is also will get updated. Okay, right? And this is I can see the data with what is it visually. I can understand how the things can able to work. Okay, right? And the final chart presentation. Select this range of cell, number of accepted and number of rejected. I can go and click on this insert tab. So just first you need to select the range. Select the range and click insert. And here you can able to find that options can be called as recommended charts. Okay. Automatically one chart presentations will get generated. Okay, right? So this my chart presentation. I'll just make it minimize and I can customize into my design work. Yeah, fine. So I'll put into the right hand side of this work. Okay, right? And this column, okay, right? So this number of accepted column, and I'm going to turn into color of green. And this right hand side number of rejected, I'm going to turn into the color of red. That's it. So now my entering data is over 24 and BCom department and 1 year experience. Now you can see that from my table also will get updated, number of accepted, number of rejected, and my chart is also it's going to get more. You see that simultaneously the changes will happen. Okay, and for the presentation, for the chat title, I will change it over here, and I'm going to give that my interview report. Okay, right? So I given that word can be called as what is that interview report over there. Okay, got it. So this is the presentation. Okay, this is what when I go for job. Okay, right? So how the things can able to work. Okay, right? So I want to report to my team people. Okay, how many candidates I got, what is it, selected for that interview process, how many people are got rejected. Okay, right? So this all the things I need to understand. Okay, right? I hope, guys, I think you have this idea about it, how to write this, the first task, right? Any doubts over here? Just make sure in that chat window. Is it clear, right? Any doubts? Yeah, fine, good. Yeah, appreciate Berlin Rose, Faiza, and any doubts, others? Just check into your chat window, no? And some few people. Okay, so the tab color, right? So how to change the tab color? So in my, yeah, perfect, for status column. Here, okay, right? So in the status column, if you want to change that value, good. You just click on this column for the status column, okay? And you can find that conditional formatting. Go to that conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Okay, you need to choose that highlight cell rules, and then you can find that word, what is a text that contains. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so in that text that contains, and I'm going to type that word can be called as accepted. Okay, got it. Yeah, so what color I can able to give for this accepted? Is it green? Means it's better. Okay, for understand when I'm presenting this data to others. So that's what I'm going to that custom format and go to that fill option over there, and here you can able to find that fill effects and then change the color. Okay, whatever the color you want. Okay, right? So for that appropriate color you can able to give for the word and diagonal up, and I'm going to click OK button and again click OK. Now you can able to apply the colors for the status column for that word. Okay, so if I'm testing for another user 26 BCA department and 4, okay, just press enter button. Okay, your chart will get changed and your table can able to update automatically. Okay, is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Is it clear? Yeah, perfect. Good, good. Okay, and one more, how to, yeah. Okay, right. So, right, guys, this is the task one. Okay, got it clear, right? I want everyone should complete this task one. Okay, right. So before the session starts from tomorrow. Okay, right. So save this file. Okay, got it clear, right? Save this file in our group. Okay, you need to write your name, for example, Faiza and MCC, right? And your register number, task one. That's it, for example. This is a task one. It's complete. Task one is complete. Okay, got it clear, right? This is task one. And second one, sir, what is task number two? Okay, got it clear, right? What is the task number two? For that, I'm not going to teach a formula. You people needs to work on it. Okay, got it clear, right? And everyone's supposed to know about it. Here, okay, right, this is not a class, this is not a training session. Okay, I'm teaching you how to work and complete this internship. It's an internship means work. Okay, right, I want your smart work. Okay, how you can able to complete that task. So one task I teach how to work with formula, one more task, and I'm going to just assign the work, and I want that who can complete the task. Okay, and I want that as soon as possible. Okay, so complete and update in your group at any time. Okay, got it clear, right? Maybe at 10 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock, you just put one message in WhatsApp group. Sir, I completed this. What is that? In WhatsApp group, you just updated. Sir, I completed task one, task two. Okay, immediately I will update your name. Okay, this candidate, this intern is completed task one and task two. Now I will give that one simple report, one MS Word document report with your project title. Okay, right? Day one, and one small research after completing the task one and task two. And guys, and here there is that one issues. Okay, right? That issues is nothing but the student. Okay, and if you are follow my instructions, okay, right, if you are follow my instructions, you will get this certificate only if you get that 100 percentage. Okay, got it clear, right? If the student is still working in this internship, for that he's getting that 85.71 percentage. Okay, got it clear, right? So without my guidance, okay, if you are trying to upload any file in your TCS portal. Okay, got it clear, right? So make sure that without my guidance, so don't upload any files in the TCS portal. Okay, keep that point. Okay, and if you uploaded wrong file, okay, got it clear, right? You couldn't able to complete this internship for 100 percentage. You never used to get the certificate. So please, any doubts before upload, sir? I completed this task one and task two and report also. I've done it. Can I able to upload this file? Okay, right, you can upload it now. Sir, where I can able to upload? Okay, right, so in which sections I can able to find? Okay, that let me show you. Okay, so just before completing that task two. Okay, right, so same exercises I will follow. No, the product we will add it off. Okay, right, so you don't have permission to add your product. Okay, got it clear, right? I will add the product from tomorrow. Okay, that moment your profile will get activated. Okay, so no worry about that product. Okay, got it? Okay, right, task number two, I'll take column. Okay, little bit I will extend this one. Okay, right, I hope it is clear, I guess, till now. This is not employee name, and I'm going to give that, sorry, candidate name, employee name, and distributions. And here I have that, what is that? Basic salary. Okay, so some employee, they have the different profile. Example, admin department, sales, HR department, admin, and example, executive. Again, admin. Okay, maybe the people, they will work in same department too. HR, again, sales. Okay, now they have some different basic salaries, I'm introducing one formula for rank between example 15,000 to 30,000. Okay, right? And here I can able to make it drag, Control C. I will apply that paste special. Okay, as per your design, you can give any values. Okay, it is not mandatory. You have to supposed to give the same value. Okay, right? For examples, I given that word. What is that? On employee name and that employee. Okay, right? It is in admin department. So that particular employee, they're getting that salary is 26,553 rupees. Okay, an example. Now I want to know that in admin people, what is the total salary? For sales department, what is the total salary? For HR department, for executive department, for department wise, I want to know that what is the total salaries. This is what your task number 2, guys. Okay, so task number 2, to find total basic salary for department wise. Okay, is it your task is what is it? Do you get this idea about this task 2? Any doubts over here? I want that. So for example, okay, how many of them are in admin department? Okay, right? I have 4 people are there. So here one can, what is it, one employer, and here I have one employer over here. Okay, right here. Okay, Shreya and then what is that, Marlene and Divya. Yeah, four candidates, right? So 1, 2, and 3, and then 4. This 4 candidate, what is the total basic salary that it has to be displayed here? Okay, using formula. I don't want calculating by using calculator, and I want in each cell formulas. And what about total sales? And what about that HR? And what about the total executives? Okay, right? And you need to supposed to write the formula, and you need to complete that task. This is task number 2. Okay, got it clear? So now again, I'll save the file in browse in my desktop, session 1. Again, I'll write that, for example, student name and the college with your register number. And here you have to supposed to tell that task number 2 it's completed. Okay, got it clear, right? So now this 2 files you have to update in your WhatsApp. Okay, got it clear? In our WhatsApp group, you need to update. Okay, right? So once if I say, okay, for this particular student, okay, right, your task 1 and task 2 is verified. Okay, got it clear, right? So that moment you have that eligibility for 6 months. Okay, right? So what we discussed over here. Okay, got it? So you have that eligibility for 6 marks. That means your task 1 and task 2 is get completed. Okay, all good. Now, so how to create MS Word document file? Okay, first everyone should complete this task 1 and task 2. Okay, right? And from tomorrow, the session, we will discuss about it, how to create one MS Word document. This is for online research. Okay, this is not our technical work. The technical work will have that more marks. Okay, particular, right? Online research, we have that only 1 marks, so that we will discuss later. Okay, I want everybody should complete this task 1 and task 2. Okay, fine. There is that one more certain questions. Okay, sir. Now, once if I completed this internship successfully for 100%, even I got certificate from TCS company. Okay, got it clear, right? Is it really it will get helpful for my career, right? Definitely. Okay, got it clear, right? Once if you completed this 100% of TCS internship, okay, right, under my guidance, okay, definitely, guys, you will have that knowledge about Excel, Tableau, and Power BI. Okay, got it clear, right? And I'm going to instruct you that, yeah, definitely. Okay, I'll share this task 1 and task 2, but please don't copy and paste the formulas. Okay, got it clear, right? Don't copy that formula and paste it in that Excel file. Please see to that video reference. Okay, got it clear, right? And see to that video reference. Or better, okay, right? I hope it's better, I guess. Instead of sharing the data, yeah, I can trust you. But instead of sharing that record, okay, what is it? File, and share the video reference. Okay, so the video reference is recording right now. Okay, got it clear, right? So you will get that video reference from tomorrow morning. So that moment you can start work for 1 hour. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So you can sit and you can complete the task and let me know about it. Okay, right? And tomorrow you have the 50, I guess total 15 are here, right? All of them profile will be get activated from tomorrow. Okay, right? And I want that your email ID and password which you given in your profile. Okay, got it clear, right? It has to be get activated by tomorrow for everyone. Okay, and right, so let's come get back to the business. Okay, so now I completed this 100% of TCS internship, and here you can able to have that job placements. Okay, got it clear? So you can have that options of jobs. You can click on those here. So it can have that collections of some companies. So based on my what is that my work? Okay, so I have what is that interested in HR department. Okay, I have interested in what is that finance. Okay, so all that available jobs over here. Okay, this account is for lifelong. It is not only for 2 months. It is not only for 1 month. Okay, got it clear, right? You can add your skills. So which one you want to go into that my work, advanced business application programs. And when I can click that one, okay, right? So whether I want to go for Oracle database work, right? And what is that? Industrial software side for sales manager. So what type of skills you can able to add it off, okay, right? And once if you completed your 100% your internship, okay, you can apply it off. This is not belongs to TCS. TCS is giving that support to that candidate. Okay, so why I can't able to get that TCS? No, you will get it along with this. For example, now if you completed your TCS internship successfully, now I'm going to show you one thing. TCS ION, okay, clear, right? You will get a mail, okay, from the company. Dear candidate, okay, got it clear, right? Dear candidate. So that means we came across your profile from the database, and you already you done that internship over here. Okay, right? So it is timeline. So I just created for one of the student profile. It is get worked. Okay, they will give that link. Follow the link for the survey. So click on this link, right? So they have some certain criteria. They will ask your name and email ID, and what is that? It's already exists because it's what is it? It is expired before that 15th. Okay, right? Got it clear, right? So you will get a mail from TCS if they have what is that offers. So that moment immediately you can able to log in and you can able to work on those things. Okay, right? And you will get that interview calls from the companies. Okay, got it clear, right? So a lot of what is that benefits which are available in this internship. First I need to get a knowledge. Okay, got it clear, right? So I need to work so faster for this 15 days. Okay, and I'm monitoring all of them in this group. Okay, got it clear, right? So I completed this. What next I need to do? So if you put message, I need to communicate, and I want all my people should get this certificate with 100%. Okay, got it clear, right? Yeah. And first today the task what I said, please complete your registration form. Okay, got it clear, right? Everyone supposed to log into that your TCS, click on this link, fine, and create your account with your proper name, your email ID and mobile number, and check, you will get that OTP and verify that one, right? And once if it is done, and make sure your profile is working, that means your login is working. And once if your login is success, Okay, got it clear, right? So once your login is success, okay, from our team people, they will activate your profile. Okay, they will add a product. Okay, they will add your product. So immediately you can able to start work your internship. But this task one and this task two should be complete. So those people I'll take into the next level of working in the internship. Okay, got it clear, right? So you have pre-test. So that after that login success only we can able to go forward. Okay, got it clear, right? I hope everyone will understand this concept. Okay, right? So this two tasks, everybody should get complete. Okay, any doubts over here, guys? Is it clear? Guys, any doubts? Is it clear, right? Any doubts, you just let me know. Okay, so we will have some discussions and we will clear it off. Okay, yeah. No. Okay, first we have to be very clear. Okay, so today is a session one. Okay, right? So today is a session one. I want before the session start. That means from tomorrow is a sessions two. Okay, we are going to start at what is that 6:30 or 7 o'clock. Okay, got it clear, right? So I will put one message. Everything I'll put one message in that group. Okay, right? Session will start at this time. Okay, got it clear, right? So for that moment, I want everyone should get complete. Okay, I'm going to maintain that one report sheet. Okay, if the person it's not completed that session, task one, task two, for example, okay, I'll put 0. I'll maintain your records under what is it, 0 level. Okay, before the session start, that means before that session to start, I want everyone should get submit that task one and task two. Okay, got it clear, right? So or else if you take this pending work, you will get a mail from your project mentor. This particular candidate, that means this particular indent, it's not working in this internship. That means the work is not happening. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I'll let you know that report. Okay, before that this task I will talk about that report, no issues. Okay, right? So Priyanka will talk about that report from tomorrow, because no need to get confused. That report we are going to work with MS Word document. It will be very easy. It won't be that much of task. This Excel is that very important thing. Okay, got it clear? So this report I will let you know from tomorrow once if your profile is get activated. Okay, Priyanka, is it clear? Yeah. So after that sessions two, you can able to report that what is that activity one. That is what report activity one. No issues. So my focus is entire thing is your task, your Excel work. The task is important. Okay, right? So report you can able to submit any day, no issues. Okay, right? So any that means after the sessions two also you can able to submit your activity file. That is your report file. But the task is my ultimate goal. Okay, I want everybody should get work. Okay, so report is simple research. That is what your online e-research. Okay, this is what your entire practical work. Okay, if I'm giving any task to my people, okay, so my guys will do it. Okay, right? They have some what is it, knowledge, and they gained under my guidance. They can, if I give any task to the real-time work, they can use Excel, they can use Power BI, they can use Tableau, they can able to complete. That is what our ultimate goal. Okay, right? Yeah. Guys, any doubts? It's here. Is it clear, right? And from tomorrow morning, everyone, you just take a look in our WhatsApp group. Okay, right? So total we have 15 sessions. Yeah, this is the session one. So total we have 15 sessions, and then most probably we can able to target 20 plus tasks. So right now I given two tasks. So still you need to work more from every day. Yeah, right. So every day you need to work task one, task two, and report for this 15 days. Okay, right. So we are very busy in this for this internship. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Yeah. Fine. Perfect. Okay, right, guys. Any doubts? Yeah. Fine. Good. 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 I appreciate. Okay. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, all good. I'll end off the sessions today. Okay, right. And tomorrow I'll just put in WhatsApp. Okay, at what time the session will get start, and I want what is it? Everyone should get what is it join at that particular time. Okay, right. For this today, the session is got really disturbed before that. What is some network issues and then little more confusions. Okay, fine. From tomorrow, the session will get start with this particular time, and you people can able to join into that particular time. Okay, right? Okay, I'll end off the session. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Yes, 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 yes. So tomorrow morning you will get that a reference video because it takes some few time. Okay, so morning before 8 o'clock you will get that reference video. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Okay, okay, right. I'll end off the session. See you guys. Bye. Good night.
That one only should start. Why you starting it not started? Huh?